model, 58 Plate Ford Transit 115 T350 Tree Surgery Tipper Crew Cab 89k miles needs clutch repair No Vat. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 89,554. Engine, 2,401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The clutch dual mass bearing. Is noises, still starts and drives fine, definitely worth repairing, nice clean low mileage tipper, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition. Honest, hardworking van that's been used as intended and ready for more. Features, 2 former keepers, tipper in working order, electric windows, tow bar. Euro status, Euro